Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Maisara binti Muhammad. My metric number is 10DDT 20F1095. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to solve the problem based on my task PPT2. Aryani wants to find a mobile phone that will be used specially for her hijab online business. Aryani acquired the information on mobile operating system for the smartphone and she is unable to decide the best mobile operating system environment. So, Aryani decided to meet the sales manager kedai telefon saya, STN Berhad, to get the information on her problems. Due to that, this video will help Aryani to solve her problems. So firstly, I will describe Android and iOS mobile operating system. For iOS is the operating system created by Apple for mobile devices. The iOS is used in many of the mobile devices for Apple such as iPhone, iPod and iPad. iOS also use a multi-touch interface in which the device is operated with the help of simple gesture. Next, simple gestures such as swiping fingers on the top of the device screen, which can be worked on by moving to the next page, and pinching with your finger to zoom the screen. You can do all this work freely on the iOS. Next, iOS make its device sensor very strong, which make your work easy by detecting your fingertips immediately. Next, more than 2 million iOS applications are available to download in Apple App Store. For Android, the Android operating system is a mobile operating system that was developed by Google to be primarily used for touchscreen devices, cell phone and tablet. Secondly, its design lets users manipulate the mobile devices intuitively with finger movement that mirror common motions such as pinching, sweeping and tapping. Next, Google also employs Android software in televisions, cars and wristwatch, each of which is fit with a unique user interface. The Android source code is released in an open source format to help advance open standard across mobile devices. However, despite being released as an open, Android is still packaged with proprietary software when sold on handset devices. For users, the app on the Android market tend to have lower standards than comparable app store. In other words, the apps have lower security profile and make users more susceptible to data breaches. Meanwhile, Android's lack of a voice control assistant and its heavy dependence on advertising can repel some users. So for question number 2, for A, place apps and widgets on the home screen for Android. So firstly, I will tell you on how to place an apps on the widgets on the home screen. So firstly, select an app. For example, I will take the email and then you drag down and long press and put it on the home screen. So it will appear on the home screen. So to add widgets to Android home screen, firstly on a home screen, touch and hold an empty space. Touch like this and then tap widgets. And then touch and hold a widget that you want. For example, I will take the calendar and then slide the widget to where you want to put it and then lift your finger. Just like that, it will appear on your home screen. To add widget or app for iOS on home screen, firstly tap any empty space on the home screen and then select add and then search the widgets that been appear on the home screen. So you can select any widget that you want. For example, I will take the weather and then there are so many selection for the widget and you can choose any one that you want. So I will take it and then add widget and then click done. So for question B, to move apps and widgets between different home screen. So first for apps, you're gonna touch the app icon and then you just drag it and the icon seems to leave and break free. So you drag the free icon to another position on the home screen or another home screen panel, or you can drag it to the trash icon. So just put it on another home screen. For the widgets, it is the same with the icon. You just put your hand here, tap it, and just move it to another home screen panel. To move app on home screen for iOS, just tap the app and then you just bring it and then swipe it to another home screen and then just place it. Same goes for widget. So for question C, to create folder to which apps will be added and removed. So firstly, to create folder for Android, you're gonna touch any apps. For example, I choose WhatsApp and then you put it on here, on the another app that you want to compile, and then put it here. And it will be like this. The WhatsApp and Facebook will be together. And then you can add any other icon app in here. Drag and put it in here. So you can name it however you want. For example, I will name it as social. Done. This is your folder. So if you want to add, just click any apps and then just put it here. So it same goes for remove the app from the folder. So to remove, you just hold the icon app and then drag it out of the folder. To create folder on iOS, firstly just take any app that you want to create folder. For example, I want to create folder for Instagram, WhatsApp and Twitter. So tap the Instagram app and just put it on the WhatsApp app, and then take the Twitter app and then just place it. And you can name it whatever name that you want. For example, I will take it as a social, and then you're done. And if you want to remove the app from the folder, just tap the icon and then drag it from the folder. So for question D, to uninstall apps on Android, you just gonna have to touch the app you want to uninstall. For example, I want to uninstall YouTube. You're gonna touch this and then you will see the remove icon on the home screen will appear on that top, and then you're just gonna drag it and just put it here if you want to remove it. To uninstall app on iOS, you just have to touch the icon app and then you will see the cross mark that will appear on the above, and then you just have to click it and just delete if you want to. Based on my opinion, the best mobile operating system would be Android. It is because Android is famous for being free. Being free enables Google to join hands with many leading hardware manufacturers and bring out a really smartphone. There are around 2,000 applications developed for Android with over 3 billion downloads. Moreover, the software is simple to use, free and allows a lot more flexibility. You have a lot more freedom as an app user and developer using Android.